I'm gonna start off with breakfast. Of course, I love starting my mornings off with matcha. I went to Japan about a year ago and I learned how to make matcha properly, and ever since then I've just been obsessed with making it at home. So good, so good. And this is my breakfast. I need a very protein-filled breakfast because I'm actually off to my golf lesson today. Garnish, I'm just gonna add a little bit of ketchup. Some of you guys might be like, why is this girl eating her tortillas crunchy? But I really love crunch. I love texture. So we decided to eat some Korean barbecue for dinner. Cut up some romaine lettuce. We have some gochujang. This is a Japanese barbecue sauce. Some raw garlic. I love eating my barbecue with raw garlic. And then we have 2 different types of kimchi. We're using our cast iron from our place. This is the veggie plate that I prepped. We have some onions, some king oyster mushroom, enoki mushroom, jalapeno pepper, and zucchini. We always put like a paper towel to catch the meat. The veggies are in. Here's the plate. We have some gogi, zucchini, maner, oyster mushroom, enoki, onion, jalapenos, and gogi. Wow! Who am I? A wedding photographer. Let me teach you guys how to eat true Korean barbecue. Take a lettuce, put some rice in here. I'm gonna take a meat. This one's really thin. Dip it in gochujang. This is where the 생마늘 comes in. You wanna take the raw garlic. My family likes to grill a garlic like this, and it's just so good. Eat it with the meat, but I like to eat it by myself. Okay, so if you ever go to your nearby Japanese market, you have to try this ice cream. Frozen wafer sandwich. And this is like one of the best ice creams I've ever had. And I'm not being dramatic. That's exactly what I said when I took my first bite. And it looks like this. It's kind of like a bungeoppang, which is like a Korean red bean ice cream. Instead, we have the matcha version today. So let me show you. Oh, so good. Matcha ice cream lined with chocolate on the inside of the wafer on both sides. But we're eating the same exact thing that we ate last night. It's because we had leftovers, but also we forgot one of the most important ingredients. This is moo. It's Korean radish, right? Is it English? Is it radish?
I think so.
I think it's radish. And this part is the best part. You wrap the meat in here and it's just like a very vinegary flavor. The same gochujang from yesterday. Japanese barbecue sauce. I cut up a little bit more garlic. Diet Coke. Romaine. Wow, there we go. Here's the spread. We got a little bit of everything from yesterday. Looks very good. 너무 맛있어. Can we do this like once a week?
Once every 2.
Or every time we go to H Mart?
Yeah, that's better.
Those are perfect.
What toothpaste did you use?
I used Tashi. So I forgot to make some tempura with my udon yesterday. So we're gonna finish up the udon. We have like a little bit left. Going to make some veggie tempura mix to eat with on the side.
Oh, the food curry.
I'm gonna try a tempura because I just want to know how it tastes. Veggie tempura? A lot of the tempura actually fell off, but it's still good.
It's so good.
The only fail was the onion.
Oh, it's delicious.
Can't start mornings without matcha. Reason why I really love those eggs. Actually, my friend Kat told me to get those eggs, and I totally get it because yolk is so orange. And if you guys don't know, orange yolk is supposed to be healthier. Really light yellow yolk is not good quality. It just makes the sandwich more creamier. It just tastes better overall. This is what I ate growing up. So this is very nostalgic for me. The secret to this recipe is the Japanese bread. You can also find this in like Korean bakeries, but this type of bread gives like extra, what would you say, like sweetness, milkiness to your sandwich, and it just pairs really well. Another thing my mom would always put in the sandwiches is cucumbers. So it adds like an extra crunch factor. Sometimes she also added apples. Your mom too?
Yeah.